Today we're going to talk about lower body resistance training. Resistance training typically is defined as weightlifting, and many people are hesitant to participate in strength and resistance training because they lack familiarity or equipment or time and space. But it's actually very easy to do resistance training with something simple as your body weight or other items that you have around your home. So we're always going to want to start with a warm-up. About 5 minutes of brisk walking. You can walk around the house if you need to. And then you always want to stretch. So once your body feels warm, it's time to go ahead and start our exercises. Place your back flat against a wall and squat down slowly to a 90-degree angle, like you're sitting in a chair. The lower you go, the more intense you can expect the exercise to feel. Hold this for 30-second intervals and repeat 3 times. Starting at a standing position with your feet underneath your hips, step 1 foot backward a stride length. Both toes should be pointing forward. Lunge downward, leading with your back knee. Repeat this 12 times for 3 sets on each leg. Using a standard chair for balance, step back into the lunge, then kick your leg upward. In one smooth motion, move through your full range of motion, returning to the lunge position. Repeat this 10 times on each leg for 3 sets.